Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Sheets AI formulas with Vertex AI, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Sheets AI formulas with Vertex AI, begin by opening a new or existing Google Sheets document. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and access to both Google Sheets and Vertex AI. Navigate to the cell where you want to enter your AI formula. Start by typing an initial formula in the cell, ensuring it aligns with your data requirements. Once your formula is in place, open your web browser and access the Vertex AI platform. Sign in using your Google account associated with your Google Sheets and Vertex AI. In Vertex AI, locate the section for model deployment or data integration. Select the AI model you would like to use in conjunction with your Google Sheets data. Copy the relevant data range from your Google Sheets. Return to Vertex AI and paste the copied data into the indicated input field. After pasting the data, configure any necessary parameters to suit your AI model specifications. Execute the model training or evaluation process by clicking the appropriate button. Once the process is complete, review the output generated by the AI model. Visit your Google Sheets and analyze the initial formula's results alongside the AI output. Cross-verify the data for accuracy and consistency between Google Sheets and Vertex AI. If discrepancies arise, revisit your initial formula to check for any errors or adjustments needed. You may need to refine your formula or alter input data to improve accuracy. Repeat the verification process as needed, ensuring alignment between the two platforms. Once verified, document any changes made for future reference or to enhance overall understanding. Finalize by saving your Google Sheets document with the integrated AI formula results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.